The Food Service Exchange presents.
Alright, how you guys doing? It's Joe from TailgateJoe.com. We're here again at the Jets game, and I want to take a moment just to talk about one of the barbecues, some of the equipment that we use here in putting on this huge event. Tailgate Joe is the largest game day fan club and tailgate party for the New York Jets at all home games and a lot of the away games as well. We get anywhere from 200 to 300 on average. It's a great time, and we're just a whole bunch of diehard fans that like to get together, and so it's a pretty cool little event. Here we have the Crown Verity MCB72. Now this is the biggest barbecue in their lineup. It's a full commercial grill. These are, if you're cooking heavy amounts of stuff, you need lots of heat, lots of BTUs, lots of cooking space, there's nothing better than these. So here is the MCB72. This is 6 feet long, 160,000 BTUs. It's like most of the MCB line from the 48 up, it is a dual propane tank system. The great thing about this barbecue is that if you take a look at it, you can obviously see it's like having 2 barbecues in one. Each 3-foot section is by itself. Each section has its own propane tank system, its own fuel system, and so you've got redundancy there in case something were to happen. You're out in the field, and malfunctions happen. Things break down. At least I have the peace of mind here knowing that I can always get by with one half of it if I need to. The other great thing about this setup here is that having the 2 separate grills, I can use one side if I want to cook something like low and slow, or I want to smoke something with the smoker accessories, or if in the case right now I'm using this as a type of a holding oven. So what I would do is I've got some food that we cooked a little earlier and it's not ready to go out yet, so I want to keep it nice and warm. I'll throw the burners on this side up to medium or high depending on the temperature outside. The burners on this side stay off, and like you can see, I just put them right here. This is so big and so deep that it'll hold full-size hotel pans. We stack a few up here, and there's lots of capacity. The other great thing about this grill and their whole line, because they're all basically the same, just the length is different, is how easy it is to take apart, clean, configure it for different uses. You can see here the 2 roll domes. If you come on inside, there's 2 little pull pins. There's one there, one on the other side. All you do is pull that pin right out, that one there, and the whole dome in one piece slides right off the track. That'll give you like a nice open flat top for cooking if the weather's a little warmer. If you want that type of open air cooking, you want to be a little bit of a show for people. The other thing is it's great for cleaning the grill. It allows you to get in. You can take a power spray, a power washer to this whole thing. It's no problem. Everything's covered. It's all stainless steel, 100% every single part, every fastener. It's just built to last. The other great thing about these grills is all the attachments they have. You can turn this into a flat top griddle. I don't have the griddle plate for this. If someone at Crown Verity is watching this video wants to send me a few of those that I can review, that would be awesome. They also have the side burners. Again, I don't have them, but you can just hook a side burner right onto here, and I'm sure that works out really well. As well, if someone's over there watching, feel free to send one my way for a review. We have the side tables. Also, it comes with one for the front. You can get the bun rack. You can get the rotisserie. There's all types of attachments here. This grill works in a variety of uses. We love it here. We couldn't imagine using anything else. We have the 72. We have the 48 here, and we've cooked for close to 400 people for 5 hours at a time. All you can eat. Puts out a ton of food, and it's a great piece of machinery, and we're very happy to be working with Crown Verity and using their products. So if you ever find yourself at a Jets game, it's tailgatejoe.com. Definitely come by, check us out. It's a good time. Take it easy.